Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I've just got home from shopping and got in and there's a happy mail waiting for me. So I know who it's from because they've been saying to me for ages, has it arrived yet? Has it arrived yet? And it hadn't, and so here it is. And she was like, open it now, open it now. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to open it, but I'm going to film it just so you can all see it. She said it will make me smile, so let's just hope so. Because, you know, we all need something to smile about at the moment, don't we? So it's an intriguing little package. Now, how to get into it without risking. I think I'm okay to snip this corner. Feels like nothing but bubble wrap there. So we're in. We're in. God. She said it would make me smile. So I've got a little card. Let's go for the card first. When I was a kid, I always went for the Prezi first. But I need... Oh! Aww. It's a thank you card. Wow. Hang on, let me just see what this is because... Oh, wow. Hey, look at that. I have a Crochet Rocks t-shirt. Isn't that fantastic? How festive. Oh, thank you very much, Margie. Isn't that lovely? I've got my own... my very own Crochet Rocks t-shirt. Well, you know what I should be wearing in the morning now when I do my Rocks chats, don't you? Well, I won't be able to do it every day, but oh, bless your heart. I will read this, but I won't read it on camera because I don't want to embarrass you, but that's from Margie, so thank you. She's been so good to me. So good to me and so good to my son Mike during his troubles. She's been a real diamond, a real friend, so thank you very much. I absolutely love it. Oh, bless you. Thank you so much. Oh, that is so kind. Everybody's been really kind and it's just blown me away, but oh, bless you. Thank you very much. I love it. And oh, bless. I posted off some Christmas cards today. I didn't manage to get anything else posted. I just wanted to get them out, otherwise he wouldn't get them in time. So, believe it or not, I had a little wad of all the people's addresses that I did have. And I got to the post office and they were £15 to post because they're all over the world. And then I had to go out today and buy cards for all the kids. So, cards are costing a fortune this year. But I will get a little bit more on the ball when I feel a bit more up to it, and I'll get my happy mails sent out that I want to send. But I can't believe this. Thank you so much. It's so cute. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Isn't it? Oh. Thank you so much. Bless your heart. So thanks for watching, and you'll see this on me in the morning if you're tuning into my Rocks chat. I did maybe think last night I'd do a live stream. I just was so beat by the end of the afternoon. I was just flaked out. So I can't say when I'll do one, but I do want to get back into the swing of stuff and doing that. But thank you all for everything, and thanks, Margie. I really love it, and thank you for being a friend. Mwah. Bye for now, everyone.